So here we go. I just picked up a new car and something needs to be done to it. So we're gonna go over it and see what you think. Luckily, it's a car that I've known for many years. I picked it up actually from a neighbor of mine, and it's always been a good thing. So this is my new 1999 Porsche 911 Carrera, commonly known as the 996, one of the supposedly most unliked due to their headlights. It's in pretty good shape. It's no major dings or anything like that around it. Minor paint scratches here and there, but very virgin. No big modifications, only lowered a bit and tastefully done. The rear tires have been changed from 265 to 285 30/18s with very small spacers to fill up the gap. One key is a one button key. We'll see the inside. Not the cleanest. Got a couple of spacers there given to me. Seats, they need some maintenance, and the interior needs a little bit of spray cleaning and a little bit of dyeing. Not a big deal. We'll have somebody that's a expert at that go ahead and take care of it. But no rips, no tears. Front seats are in great condition. Going back to the rear seats are fairly new or new looking, but dirty. As you can tell, all those black spots, they will be taken care of. Now going around to the driver's side, the doors do not hang, but as you can see, dirty. It definitely needs a good cleaning. Again, the steering wheel also needs some dye, and just a detail overall, which is something I can do on my own. The other seat as well is in great condition, but dirty as well. Headliner, perfect condition. So opening up the hood and the front, the levers need a little bit of painting. Going around to the back, dirty engine compartment, but all its essentials are where it should be, and all the now on these 996, to tell, see that speedometer cable, you can actually see it's a cable, and that's going to let you know that this is an early 996 model with a 3.4 liter and 300 horsepower. Now let's go take a look at the front. And as you're going to notice, my neighbor had a lot of the equipment taken off. After all, he did have a battery tender on the car. It was sitting for 3 years. Those are the pieces there. But again, very dirty. I'll have to do a cleaning. So it's a 5-speed Tiptronic with all interior lights working and in good shape. Well, the speedometer gauge looks like one of the LED lights is broken on it. I have to get that replaced. There's the radio. Turn that off. Oh. I'm gonna have to figure this out. With traditional radio. Okay. Not bad overall. Not bad overall. Now I do have to get it up on the ramp and see what we have. oil pan and the drain plug. It needs a replacement, and that will be done. Apart from that, the car is pretty good overall. Just needs a good cleaning, good detailing, and I'm gonna get to all that as ownership goes on this car, and hopefully you guys can go through the process with me. And we want to do some modifications to the car in the future, maybe aesthetics, and if maybe a tune can be done, and we'll get around to that. There are the exhaust manifolds, looking in good shape. A little bit of oil dripping on them, gives it a little bit of a smell. Not bad though. Okay, so this video is being posted a little late. I actually bought the car several months ago, but I'm just starting at YouTube, making these videos and trying to do the best I can for now. So I met up with AutoVlog during the weekend, and he actually motivated me to start the channel as a vlog, or just to bring you guys an update or things that are fun to do with the car. I usually work on my cars alone, and since I've had the car, I've done many things on my own. In a later video, we'll go over those things, and while I don't have videos of me doing the stuff, I do have some pictures that we'll post up and we'll narrate through them. So I hope you enjoy the channel. I hope you start viewing. Give it a thumbs up if you think we're good to go, and hopefully we'll see you on the next video.